Tired of videos in your TikTok feed lagging, freezing, or even just showing a black screen? Do your TikTok uploads take forever? Why is it that TikTok sometimes stops working like this? I'm Ryan from Connectify, and in this video I'll show you how you can use Speedify to help fix slow TikTok and prevent lagging. From our experience, those issues are most likely due to a bad Wi-Fi or cellular connection. The Speedify app can help. With the all-new Speedify, you can optimize your internet traffic for apps like TikTok. Our new streaming mode protects and prioritizes real-time streaming traffic from apps such as TikTok and any other video streaming apps, video calls, VoIP calls, and online games. If you have multiple connections available, such as Wi-Fi and cellular, your phone won't naturally use them all at the same time. But Speedify's unique channel bonding technology will merge your connections together and intelligently direct your internet traffic so apps keep working, even as you reach the edge of your Wi-Fi range or as one of your connections fails. Streaming mode is enabled by default, but if you're set to a different bonding mode and want to enable streaming mode, just download the Speedify app on your iOS or Android device and open it. Then go to the Settings menu and select Bonding Mode under Session Settings. Set it to streaming mode and flip the switch on to connect to Speedify. Now you can browse TikTok with a more stable, more reliable, and more secure connection.